Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Begin by parking on level ground, disconnect the battery, and relieve fuel pressure. Drain engine oil and coolant to prevent contamination when removing covers. Raise the car on stands and remove the right front wheel and inner splash shield for access. Scan for engine codes and listen for a timing chain rattle at idle to confirm chain wear. Gather required parts. A full timing chain kit including chain, tensioner, guides, cam and crank seals, and a 10 mm socket set, torque wrench, and cam locking tools. With fluids drained and access cleared, remove the serpentine belt, alternator bracket if needed, and the valve cover to expose the camshafts. Next, remove the central timing cover to reveal the timing chain and sprockets. Rotate the crank to top dead center on cylinder 1 and verify piston clearance. Secure camshafts with manufacturer-specific locking tools to maintain valve timing. Carefully mark chain links and sprocket positions with paint or a marker so original indexing is recorded. Only then loosen the tensioner slowly and prepare to remove chain and guides. Install new guides and the tensioner, then lay the new chain onto the cam and crank sprockets, aligning painted index marks from removal. Hand tighten sprocket bolts, then torque to manufacturer specifications using a calibrated wrench. Never rely on guess torque. Release cam locks, recheck timing alignment, and rotate the engine 2 full revolutions by hand to verify marks realign, and there is no valve to piston contact or binding. Reinstall timing and valve covers, refill engine oil and coolant, reconnect the battery, and run the engine to check idle. No rattle and proper operation before.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.